was popping, my beautiful, my handsome royal babes or whatever. You know, they calling
you sound
for.
Like Cardi B.
Did
she just sound like Cardi B?
Not even. Anyway. Pay attention to the room, huh? Anyways, you know, the hurricane or whatever supposed to be coming. So we just now supposed to be. Why are we going to Food Lion? We supposed to be going to Fresh Market.
I thought I was buying the groceries. So since I'm buying the groceries, I thought you were gonna get Food Lion. What are we going to Fresh Market for?
Fresh Market.
For what?
Because they have all the good stuff, like the almonds and the good bread and everything else. You guys, y'all can't. Because I already waited for her for over an hour, and then she's pulling up to the wrong spot.
But she's not paying for anything, so I think she should be thankful that I'm giving her my card to go get her stuff.
All right. However, there's no point of going to Food Lion because Food Lion is completely out of water and bread. So why am I going somewhere?
But I bought all the water yesterday.
All right, but there ain't no bread. I need Fresh Market because they have the good stuff.
Oh, last time I bought you that expensive bread, it just said.
Yeah, because you brought nasty bread. The Pepperidge honey wheat bread that got the oats and grains on the outside of the crust. That's the good bread. She brought the nasty bread. And I ate half of it. She brought the big loaf instead of the medium-sized loaf. But anyway, before my vlog got interrupted, you know what I'm saying? See, I don't even remember what I was going to talk to y'all about.
Like heartburn.
You like, she's really taking me. What food is that Food Lion?
The food?
Bro, just take me to Noodles and Company so I can get my free food. Forget
you better
groceries.
go get your groceries, boo.
Bruh, I don't want nothing from Food Lion. Oh. The whole plan was to go to Fresh Market. Like, I cannot.
No. Let me explain to y'all. I told she could get like one thing. I got a pimple. I told she could get like one thing, and I don't have no makeup on. All right.
Mom.
I told she could get one thing from Fresh Market, right? Like some almonds or something to snack on. I didn't say she was doing all of her groceries at Fresh Market. Like,
nothing in here that I want.
So what do you
know? I'll just talk to y'all later because I can't. Bye. All right, y'all. I'm back, and as y'all can tell, I'm inside Fresh Market. Okay. Yo, like, you know.
Snacks. We got some almond butter. Oh, my hair's bushy from the rain. Hi. We got almond butter.
My hair's still popping though.
Okay, we got almond butter and we got cookies.
Why you? Exactly. Wait, Ma, I'm gonna go get some coffee real quick. Here, take the card. Coffee right there. Ma, take the card. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Alright, you guys, but y'all already know. I like, you know. Alright, you guys, so, you know, I got my little coffee sample, whatever, for this reason, and I can't believe I literally just got soaking wet in the rain. It's not too bad, because my bun is still popping. However, the lighting in here does suck, so I'm sorry about that right now in advance. I have a question, Mom. Couldn't I fill up a big cup for free? They have the big cups over there for the coffee. Oh God, this coffee is weak. Like, it don't taste like it's like fresh, you know? Yeah, I can't do this. Where's the trash? Nope. Ain't happening. Oh. Tastes cotton picking horrible. Is that a bag for all of us to just share? Yeah, just get it back for all of us to share. Okay, Mom. You got a pen down there or no? It would have been easier to just do it because it's $1 off a pound. It's $1 off a pound. You could have just spent $10 for a whole pound.
Which I have a quarter of a pound.
Okay. I'm saying, you know, we all gonna eat them. Where's the number at? Oh, never mind. I couldn't see it at first. 8176. Really? Of course it would have to break, huh?
Like, what are you doing?
It's called vlogging. My hair is so up. Getting my honey roasted almonds or whatever. Yeah, this one's cool. That's how much you have. I wasn't about to do same thing.
We paying $5, $6 for half a bag of almonds. So together it's $11 for this little bit. Crazy.
Alright, yeah.
Your name on this? What's your name?
Really? She's literally having me write my name on this. Just be honest. Yeah, and then she just gonna start walking away. Like, oh my god. It's so bad. Alright, you guys, I'm back and the lighting is a lot better-ish. Well, what do y'all want? You know, I had some technical difficulties. You know, if anybody wants to get your girl a new tripod for her phone, let me know. Oh my goodness. Like, she legitimately made me write my name on my bag of almonds. Like, I had to put my name on it. But she put her keys inside the shopping cart. Hopefully she don't forget. That coffee I had was horrible. Like, I legit feel like I need to throw up. Who you talking to? Supply. Tell her I said what's supply. I said what's supply. Tell her what I said. Oh my goodness. Yeah, y'all. Sorry in advance if this is kind of like a boring vlog or whatever. But it really ain't nothing going on. For real, for real. You know, I ain't trying to get nobody in the shot. Because I don't need nobody coming up in my face saying, oh, get me off the camera. Yo, my bun is all. But at least our little baby hair is working. You know, they looking a little good or whatever. Just a little good. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna look at the desserts or whatever to see exactly what they got. Okay. But I swear, like, their stuff, like, stay looking fresh. Oh, that's so sad. There's no creme brulee, so my heart is kind of broken. Anybody who knows me knows absolutely positively love creme brulee, and there is none. So, no, I'm good, thank you. No, but y'all, like, really honestly, look at these. Like, y'all see these?
Before John.
Mom, excuse me. Yeah, he's all right. Y'all see how good these look? Like,
Yeah. So we're looking at doing a joint.
But yeah, y'all. Like, why my mom gotta talk so loud? Oh, hold on. Ma, wash the cart. You know, wash the cart. I didn't know which way I ordered to go. So there were a whole bunch of wine bottles, and I ain't trying to knock nothing over. Y'all know me, I'm kind of low-key clumsy. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Looking down to see if they have any good sushi. And nope, not at all. Not at all, because none of it looks right. I really don't see nothing. I'm so sad. They don't have creme brulee. They don't have my seafood salad stuff, because I was gonna be like, oh, like I can make a sandwich, but it's like either way, it's like it's not gonna keep if the power goes out. Man. Shoot, that's what I didn't get. I mean, it's okay. I ain't tripping. It's whatever. But my food's about to be free tonight, because I'm gonna get something from Noodles and Company since I got a coupon. So yeah, y'all go ahead and download the app, because every so often, it's like every 2 or 3 months, like they literally send you a free entree coupon, or it's buy one entree get one free. So yeah. Y'all see my mom.
Alright, so I got those kind of croissants. Now, this is what we should get. We should get the specialty. We should get the specialty bread. No. Look, with the Italian herb oil. Because I could just eat bread. Because I don't eat no coconuts. I only eat salami.
Which is nasty. Don't eat salami.
As New Yorkers eat salami.
Well, I'm not a New Yorker. Thank you very much.
I don't eat no bologna. I don't want no ham. I don't really like ham.
I only eat bologna if Papa makes it for me. Nah, because they ain't got no creme brulee. I don't want it. I just said I don't want it. Oh, shout out to my cousin for liking my picture on Instagram. I don't want it. Bruh. And if you get everybody an individual dessert, I want my dessert to be 1 cup of yogurt. Only. Alright, so get it then. I mean, I'll take it.
Like that has to be refrigerated. That is going to be okay.
I said it's alright. I wish they had some twisted leche cake up in here though. Oh, Ma, they have creme brulee macaroons. You think those taste good? Creme brulee macaroons. At the top. Creme brulee. Y'all see? Y'all see?
I don't think they have no creme brulee left.
Yeah, they don't.
It looks like they have that's caramel. But that might be creme brulee.
Oh,
That's probably really good. The coconut is only
yeah,
one of them.
I don't know.
¿Cuánto es? Are they $2.50?
Yep.
They were $1.50. I'm trying to think about what kind of dessert.
We don't really need this. How much are they? Oh.
$3.99.
Oh.
Do a quick sandwich.
Yeah, but Food, well, no, I think Food Line had the mini ones. And it was like a big thing of them, though.
They kind of hard. Those are like very soft.
No, Food Line had the fresh Jones out.
Yeah, but there was many.
True. Touche, you got a point or whatever. Y'all don't understand. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get back to the house. I just realized I've been recording for a really long time. And, yeah. Oh, I ain't trying to have this vlog too long.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and peace out. Bye.
Hey everybody, I am finally back. We finished up the grocery shopping at Fresh Market. I got my noodles and company. Then we went to Five Below to get like extra chargers and stuff like that for the portable chargers. But y'all see this? Like, oh my goodness. So, you know, I got the pad thai with tofu, and it has cilantro, it has like cashews, then like, you know, like the pad thai noodles, there's egg in there. Of course I had to get double tofu, but since I had to keep my fork to be free, like look how good it looks. So, you know, I have to throw some sriracha up on there or whatever, but just look at that. Oh god, it looks so good. Like, y'all know I really do love me some noodles and company. It's even better when it's free. Oh yeah, and I had a coupon or whatever from McDonald's, because that's what my brother ended up getting. So it's like, you know, you get a free drink with a minimum of $1 purchase. So like my mom and my brother got McDonald's or whatever for dinner. So guess what? I got me a large sweet tea with no ice, and y'all already know I got my tea in the freezer. So in about 30 minutes, so pretty much it's going to take me like 30 to 45 minutes to eat this. But then when I'm done eating, my tea is going to be nice and slushy. Okay. But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. And if you're watching it in the morning, good morning. If you're watching it in the evening, good evening. If you're watching this at night, have a wonderful night. And I love you, my beautiful and handsome royal babes. I will see y'all next time. Bye.